Welcome back, grade 7 and 8, to another one of Mr. Wensing's science class videos. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at bases. Like acids, bases are created with properties that make them very useful to us. They are used to make household cleaners, soap, and fertilizer. We've already learned that an acid is a compound that releases hydrogen ions when it dissolves in water. A base, however, is a compound that releases hydroxide ions when it is dissolved in water. A hydroxide ion is an OH, or oxygen and hydrogen negative ion. When bases dissociate, they produce positive ions and negative hydroxide ions. Bases are proton acceptors. Like acids, bases have many properties in common. Bases have a bitter taste. Have you ever accidentally tasted baking soda? Baking soda is a base with a very bitter taste. Strong bases are caustic, able to burn or eat away by chemical action. The cans of strong cleaning agents, such as oven cleaner, which often contain bases, usually suggest that the user wear gloves and take care not to let the cleaning agent touch the skin. When a base is diluted to form an aqueous solution, it feels slippery. Soap, a base, is slippery when wet. This goes back to the caustic properties of bases. They feel slippery because they actually dissolve a little bit of your skin. Like acids, bases are electrolytes. They can conduct electricity. Like acids, bases are also classified as strong or weak. A strong base is a base that produces many hydroxide ions when it is dissolved in water. Metals in families 1 and 2 of the periodic table usually form strong bases because the ionic bond is not strong enough to hold the metal ion and the hydroxide ion together, so the compound dissociates completely in water. Examples of strong bases are sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Because strong bases produce large amounts of ions, they are good electrolytes. A solution containing hydroxide ions from a soluble base is referred to as alkaline. When strong bases are dissolved, large amounts of heat are produced. Always be careful when you deal with strong bases. A weak base is a base that produces a small number of hydroxide ions when it is dissolved in water. Because weak bases produce very few hydroxide ions, they are poor electrolytes. Examples of weak bases are ammonium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Bases can cancel out acids because the hydronium ions from the acid and the hydroxide ions from the base combine to form water. We're going to learn about this in our next video. Products made from bases are commonly found in homes. Bases will react with fats and oils to make them water soluble. This is what makes them good cleaning agents. For example, household ammonia is made from ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, known by the common name lye, is the key ingredient in products used to unclog sink drains and to clean ovens. Magnesium hydroxide, which is only slightly soluble in water, is used in milk of magnesia, products as an antacid to neutralize excess hydrochloric acid in the stomach. It's also used as a laxative. Aluminum hydroxide is another base used as an antacid in commercial products such as Maalox and in deodorants.